Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm super excited to have you back. You guys know I love you so much and it's always a delight to come back here. Today's video is basically about how I was able to achieve this look. It's quite very easy to achieve and very simple. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please go ahead and keep watching. Okay, first of all, I'm going to start with the brows, and I'm going to start with this pulley here. I will use it to groom my brows like so, just comb my brows out neatly. And then I'll be using this Davis brush. I've been using it a lot, as you can see. It's almost finished, so I'll just use this like so. Alright, having done that, I'm going to reach out to this brush here, this angled brush, and grab this Milani Foundation. You know, it doubles as a concealer as well. So I'm going to just take a little amount, like so. Yep, there we go. I'm just going to take a little quantity on the brush and just clean up the brow. There we go. So I'm just going to blend it out. Alright, so that done, I'm going to go ahead and apply the same foundation just around my eye area here to balance that up, because I have a bit of pigmentation around my eye area. That. Like so. Having done that, I'm going to set it just a little bit, and I'll be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to do that. I'll just apply it a little bit around that area to set the foundation. Okay, like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this eyeshadow palette. Is the Goron Eyeshadow palette. Don't worry guys, I'm going to link the names in the description box below. I'll be reaching out and grabbing this brush, and I'll be going in with this okay. So now I'm still going in with the same brush, and I'll be taking this shade right here for my crease. Start like so. Reach into this palette, the Jacklyn's palette. I'm going to use this with this brush here, this, and I'm going to reach out to this color here. For my outer lid. Guys, this particular color is so pigmented that I didn't have to use a base for it to settle, I simply just went straight ahead to apply it, but as you can see, it has sat so well. Yes. Alright guys, so I'm going to go with this brush here and reach for this dark shade here, this shade here, the black, and I just want to intensify my crease from the outer corner like so, and just clean up. Alright guys, so now I'm going to line my eyes with this MAC eyeliner. I'm going to go on ahead and start my entire face, and I'll be priming my face with this Party Queen HD Studio Photogenic. Oh, guys, the name is long. I'm going to link it in the description box below. So I'm just going to take just a little amount like so. I wouldn't be applying much because I really don't need it. It's just a little. And I'm basically applying it and concentrating around my nose area because this is where I tend to sweat a lot. And then I'm going to still use the Milani Foundation I mentioned earlier. I'll just take a pump like so, and then I'm going to be adding this shade here from Classic. It's a classic foundation. I'm going to add it up just to give it a little bit of orange undertone, because the Milani foundation tends to be a little bit white for me, so this gives it a bit of orange undertone and just makes it sit well with my skin. Alright, so I like to do this just not to waste product, so I'm going to use this foundation brush and just tap the foundation on my face. And then I'll be blending it out with the same brush like so. What I like to do finally is I go in with a beauty blender and just tap over it and just buff it like so to blend properly. This foundation is so lightweight that it feels almost like you're not putting on anything, but it's cool, it's okay. So now I'm going to highlight my face just to give it a little bit of shine, a little where light normally hits my face, and I'm going to be using the Colorpop No Filter Concealer in Golden 40. Just a little. Like so. So I'll go back with the beauty blender and just blend it out. Now I'm going to reach for this Zaron Face Definer palette, and I'm going to apply I'm going to now set my highlight with the same Sacha Now I have set my highlights just to allow it to settle out a bit. I'll go with this brush, the same brush I used, and just dust it off a bit. I don't want it to bake so much, so I wouldn't let it sit for too long. Now I'm still going to use from the Zaron palette the setting powder and just set my entire face. Alright guys, in the same palette I'm going to use this brush and just take a little bit of the bronzer and just contour my face like this, my nose, just to give it a bit of dimension. Still blend again. Blend, 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 blend. Okay. I'm going to, sorry. I'm going to reach for this Zaron palette and just take a little bit of blush and apply like so. And then I'll be applying a little bit of highlighter just to highlight my face a bit, and I'm using this brush. Okay, that done, I'll still go back with the brush and blend, blend, blend again. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead now and line just the waterline of my eyes. This Pauline Longwear gel eyeliner. There you go. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick. I'll be using this is Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lipstick. I'm going to use it to line my lips. And then I'll apply this lipstick from Colorpop. It's the Echo Pack shade. This from Colorpop. So I'll go ahead now and apply my falsies off camera, and I'll be back. So guys, this is the finished look. I just went offline and applied my falsies and my hair. So this is the finished look. Pretty much it's as simple as that. So there you go. How do I look? Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Please, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment for me in the comment section. And please, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell button. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. See you on my next one. Bye.